money too, I'm finna trick on. Babe, you know you fine, don't you? Babe, you know you fine. Babe, you know you fine, don't you? Babe, you know you.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, King Court. It's moving day. Your girl is excited. Y'all, it's a long day, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So here is a completed look of my bedroom. Don't mind the pictures on the ground. We're hanging those up soon. He's a mess, look. Me and him be fighting. Move! You need to move. Alright, y'all, so these are my dressers that I have on each side of my bed. I have my sleeping pillows on there right now, so. But these are the dressers that I have on each side of my bed. Basically, I just keep like my nightstand items in my first drawer right here, and then the rest of these items I'm gonna put clothes in. I'm currently still getting that together, so you know how that goes. I'm still filling these drawers up. But other than that, the rest of this is just for decoration and just for the aesthetic of my room. And of course, this is my mirror that you guys saw yesterday. I use that to take pictures in, basically. I have a small little room trash can right here. Just because, y'all, my picture fell down, like, but isn't this the most beautiful thing? Like, I think I would get this tatted on me. But yeah, y'all, so in each of our rooms, we have this little remote on the wall. And so basically, this is the power switch, and it controls low, medium, high. As you can see, it says low, medium, high, sorry. And basically, that controls the ceiling fans up there. So, in order to turn the lights on and off, you just click the light bulb here, and, hold on. Yeah, click the light bulb here, and as you can see, the light goes off. Click it again, back on. So, say I click a medium, and it turns my fan on, and of course it'll speed up later, but I'm gonna turn it off right now because it feels good to me here. I don't need, you know, I don't need any more air going around. But yeah, and so as you can see, here's a little light right here. I have these lights that go along my wall that actually came with this style of Loft. So those were already there, and I enjoy those features very much because, yeah, I just think that's really cute. Like, regular apartments and stuff don't have that, so I'm not used to that, you know, the extra lighting. They just have like the ceiling light, and that's it. So this is a Prada Milano surfboard. I think this is the favorite piece of my room, and I'm just so in love with it. I was looking at a Gucci one before I found this one, and my mom actually found this one, and I was like, girl, yes, get it. Like, I'll give you money, you know what I'm saying? Just get it, please. I want it in my room. So she ended up getting it for me, and I was at work at the time. But these are my pet automatic feeders right here. So this is the cat's bowl, and this is Coda's bowl right here. That's my puppy. And then the water in each bowl. Coda, what are you doing? You're just doing stuff. And also, I want to show y'all these pictures. I have these very artsy aesthetic pictures. They're kind of like sassy to me, like they're giving very stylish, all that a good fashion feel, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm a fashion major, so it just ties into my personality. And this door right here, which is right by my room, as soon as you come down that little hall, this is the first room that's going to be on your left. Well, if you're coming from my bedroom, but if you're coming from the entranceway of my actual loft room, it's going to be on your right. But this is my closet space, and I'm just gonna briefly show y'all because I don't want to get the bottom because all of my stuff is here. But Right here, this is actually my makeup chair and desk. I still gotta get everything situated, and I'm gonna have a mirror above that, and which is gonna be, I'm gonna show y'all the mirror. It still has my fun, vibrant colors in it over my makeup table. So, and then I need to make more shelving racks up here. So it's a lot to do, really. Like, all of these are my clothes right here, and then I have my shoes right here, and another 2 more other bags of shoes. And then y'all, I love that my closet comes with this light once again. So they have these lights everywhere. Like, having those lights do help me see a lot of the time. I don't have to cut like all of my lights on just to see my closets, in my opinion. So I love my closet light being there. I love it. So when you come in, you'll see my beautiful, beautiful curtains, and then this rug, then the beautiful marble sink, and the beautiful big gold mirror. So yeah, and then here are just like decorative bath towels that I put right here. But yeah, so in this bathroom, I have these stock shelves in which I haven't put the products out for that. That's in the pink trunk that's in my closet. And we just have this. So this is what I keep some more extra white decorative towels. So just for decorations, basically. And then I have my skincare stuff over here. So like Q-tips and cotton pads, cotton balls, and then like a part of my skincare routine, and then also a candle, because sometimes I'll get in the shower and I like to light a candle, you know what I'm saying? Then I have my daily wear lashes, like the lashes that I probably pick out for everyday wear. Like, I might wear these one day, then I might want to wear those. Like, it's a switch between those two. And so down here in these cabinets is what I have. So in this middle cabinet, I just have extra towels, Q-tips, like some charcoal mouthwash, because I do like to use this. And then, yeah, just like extra stuff that I use. Like I say ibuprofen, I mean alcohol. I have my plunger back there for my toilet, and just bars of soap, stuff like that, little stuff. And then some hand soap that I'll replace to go in this bottle when it runs out, like if I have guests over and stuff like that. But in this last lower cabinet right here, I have products, like hair products. Mostly my hair products are in here right now. Then I have a freaking curling iron back there and some more hand soap, like I said. Hey, mister, get out. I have some more hand soap, like I said, back there to restock if I ever need to, because I'm pretty stocked up, so I won't have to restock up again in a while on some things. Down here, I just have my makeup bag, which is right there, and then my hair products, my natural hair products, I'm gonna say. I have my natural hair products right here with my makeup, and then I have some tissue in the back just for restock for when I run out of my rolls right here. So, and y'all, this is Moore's litter box. It actually goes in the laundry room during the day, but at night when she likes to sleep in my room, I make sure I keep it in my bathroom in case she has to, you know, take her ones and twos out while I'm, you know, in bed. I don't have to get up and she meows at the door all night until I open the door, you know what I'm saying? So that's that. She just comes inside, and it also like helps with the aroma. It doesn't let it stink up, you know, with her from using the bathroom. So yeah, it swings open like that. It's really cute, real fancy. So yeah, it's by Paul Hut if you want one for your cat. So in this drawer, I have some more skincare stuff, and then I have my toothbrush, toothpicks, and then, well, floss picks actually. I'm just say floss. And then my freaking flat iron and a hot comb in here. And basically some more skincare products and just like hair ties to wrap my hair up with at night. And then on my end cabinet, I just have like some face wipes for like when I wash my makeup off. I have my skincare oil, and then I have like some body soap, stuff like that, and then my deodorant, of course. So not too much, but I really love this flower. I actually had it from my last apartment. It's not a real flower, but it's an artificial one, and I just feel like it just adds to the aesthetic of my little corner here. And I love this marble countertop. Like, everything really ties in together, and I was just like, let me do my apartment and black. Well, my bathroom in black and white. And so this is just where I hang my towel at for when I get out the shower. And in my little shower cubby, I have my wash and then my little scrubber. And this is like for when I wash my scalp, my hair, stuff like that. So yeah, that's my shower. And yeah, y'all, like, that's that for real. So I can't wait till I finish hanging up these pictures, because that's just gonna be on this wall right here with my lights. And I'm probably gonna do a little bit of wallpaper right here, but that's the if and or but, you know what I'm saying? So yep. And then I have this carpet. Y'all already saw that. Basically, I just have my LED lights running all across my floor. If you haven't seen by now, which you guys should have. But yeah. So yeah, y'all. And then I have my ring light, because y'all know I do content creation. So we're on our influencer journey. So yeah, I had to bring my ring light, and that's pretty much, you know, my little setup. But I'm about to get back to editing so I can get this video out to you guys. Please stay tuned, because like I said, this journey is going to be a freaking journey, honey, for real. So make sure y'all stay tuned, because it's going to be so much more coming up. So make sure y'all subscribe, like, join the family. Like, what are y'all doing? Oh yeah, y'all, I'm gonna also put our couple channel link in the description box below, because we just started that for our last video, because we knew, well, y'all didn't know, but we knew that we were going to be moving. So when we decided to move, we knew that we were going to be making content back to back to back all the time, because we're going to be together all the time. And me and him, when we're together, we're always doing something. Like, we're the type, we don't like to sit home. So we already knew, like, it's time to start that couple channels. So that's what we did. We went ahead and started the next step. Like, the intro is popping. I can't wait to show y'all. I'm probably going to drop the well, we're probably gonna drop the moving in vlog probably Thursday or Friday. One of those videos. I mean, one of those days. Probably towards the end of the week, I'm gonna say. And yeah, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all go subscribe to that channel and my channel, my personal channel, and the couple channel. Make sure y'all stay tuned, because it's different content on each channel. So make sure y'all are connected to both of those channels, so that y'all can stay tuned and get the content from each and every one of those channels. But yeah, y'all, so that's all I got for y'all today. I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.
Fine, babe, you know you fine, don't you? Babe, you know you